Hi friends, today we will see some information about spreaders. Have you seen cranes in the ports lifting heavy containers, and how do they accomplish this feat? They use something called spreaders. What you see in the picture is a Bromo spreader. So let's see how it works. I have taken the liberty of using a Bromo video. It's just a blank video, it doesn't contain any audio, so I was using a voiceover narration to explain how it works. And the thing which came down, it's a flipper. It's a flipper. It is used to position the spreader over the container. So it goes down, positions itself, and it lands on it. So before it lands, you can see, one second, you can see before it lands, you can see the twist lock twist lock. So it enters it enters the hole provided in the container. So that is the twist lock going inside the container, and simultaneously there is a stopper which comes up. You can see the stopper. Actually, this is just stopper. The function of the stopper is to prevent the twist lock from twisting. So once the twist lock gets in, so you can see this one, it's raising, and the twist lock locks into position. And once the crane lifts the container, it's locked now. So even if the operator accidentally gives a signal to unlock the container, it doesn't happen. So let us have a close-up shot of this. Now the spreader lands on the container. Once it lands on the container, you can see the landing pin touches the container and it starts to rise. The spreader sinks in, the landing pin rises, and it allows the twist lock to turn. So now it is turned and it is locked. So when it rises, it lifts the container with it. Another picture, you can see the proximity switches. These switches turns on the LED light. It will signal the operator whether it is properly landed or not. So you can see the twist lock here. So these are the flippers, and the flippers are controlled by a hydraulic motor. So you can have a closer look of this hydraulic motor. So this is another video of how to remove the twist lock. So if we have to remove the twist lock, we have to lift that landing pin with a pry bar. So here it shows they are lifting the landing pin with a pry bar, and they have placed a screw. In between. So this way they can turn the twist lock. You can see this picture. There are a host of other features about the spreader, but one video is too short to explain everything. So let us see in another video. Thank you guys.